Hi guys, welcome to this session on LibreOffice Writer. In this module, I want to show you how you can add sections and columns to a document. So first of all, let's have a look how you add columns to just a blank document. So I've got the tabs activated, so if I go into the Layout tab, you've got page columns, and it's a case of selecting whatever option you want there. You can go into more options, gives you a few more options, and you can add spaces and things like that. If I just come off this one for a second, I'm just going to put 3 columns on there, and your page is divided into 3. Now when you start typing, what happens is it just wraps around the first column and doesn't automatically jump into the next one. If you want to go into the next column, you need to put a break in there. So this is the option, break, and I want a column break, and then OK, and then it jumps across into the next column, and I can carry on typing again. And likewise, if I want to do another one, manual break, column, OK, and it does the same. And that's how you create columns. Now if I get a blank document, there are some times that you might want to split a document up, so you might have some heading text at the top, and then if I just paste some text that I've got here. Now let's say I want this to be in 2 columns. What you can do is highlight this text. If I get it correctly, there it is. What you need to create a section. So if I go insert section, you've got, I just want one section for this. Now if I go to the Format tab and go into sections, you've got options in there to name that section. So I'll call this 2 columns. Down the bottom here you've got options. If I go into there, you can select how many columns you want to be in this section. So I just want 2, I've called it 2, and then you get the preview there. You can do the spacing if you want it wider, that'll do for me. I'll click OK to that, click OK to that, and then you've got your text split into 2 sections, which will allow you, for example, to have a title across the top as a normal page, and once you've finished with that title you might want normal text underneath. So that's basically how you can create a document that has columns in it, but also normal text with just one column. So you create a section, in the section options you select how many columns you want for that section, and then outside of that section it's just back as a normal document. So hopefully that was of use, how to create sections, how to create columns within sections, and just how to create general columns if you want them on a whole page. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.